Hello! I got a Christmas present from one of my student parents and guess what she got me? It's the Waterbank Blue Hyaluronic Eye Cream and look how cute it is. It comes with a little scooper as well. But I've been wanting an eye cream. Hello, Wando. Do you want to say hi, kitty? Oh, anyway, I wanted to show you guys my newest purchase. Ta-da! I got Uggs and I am obsessed with them. Got it in this light color, which I haven't seen a lot. It's usually in a bit of a darker color.
Hello.
So since I'm going to Korea soon and it is winter in Korea, so it's really cold, I wanted to get Uggs. These are so comfortable, so warm, so easy to wear, and you slide your feet in and out of them. And I got them with a little platform. And yes, they are Australia made. Crazy back story to Uggs if you don't know, or if you do know. So buy your Uggs in Australia, do your research. These are my Christmas nails. Doo-doo-doo. It's actually my first time ever doing French tips.
Takeaway.
All the way from Morocco, give it up for B-Boy Bison!
So Daniel and I went to the shops today and we picked up a little something I wanted to unbox with you guys. Ta-da! So we went to... Where did we go? No, the shop. We went to Wheel and Barrow and we got this diffuser. It's from Sensory. We got it in the scent Harmony, Saffron and Rose. So this is the scent. And I really liked this one because the reeds are very different to what I've ever seen before. Ta-da! Isn't that so cute? Look at this. So it just says Harmony on it and it's got this beautiful pink base. There's a warning on the bottom. This is a mango jelly cat cake, cherry cake, pistachio flat croissant.
Yeah.
So this was what was this again? Garlic cream cheese bun, and this is a cannelli, and this was a Dubai chocolate cookie, and this is a choc chip cookie. Very excited. And then we also have, we're gonna be making hot chocolates.
Hot.
These are reindeer hot chocolate stirrers. What does that mean?
Open club.
It'll be a true Aussie Christmas.
Is on that camera there? You happy with that? You happy?
3, 2, 1.
Damn. Put it up here.
Oh my gosh. Plus people. Are they all actually there?
Be dead when we arrive.
Guys, you're twisting! I'm not doing the fucking
said it's all good, mate.